Welcome, beautiful souls. Tonight we gather under the radiant light of the flower moon, a sacred full moon in the sign of Scorpio, glowing with the power of emotional healing, transformation, and spiritual rebirth. The name flower moon originates from Native American and Old English traditions. It signifies the abundant blooming of flowers in May, a symbol of growth, fertility, beauty, and rebirth. It celebrates nature's fullest expression and reminds us of the inner blossoming we too are capable of. The flower moon is named for the blossoms that cover the earth during this time. Just like flowers that bloom after a season of stillness, you too are ready to open, to soften, to release, and to rise. This is your movement to let go of what no longer serves you, to clear space for the new and to bloom fully into the light of your truth. Let's begin. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down, whichever feels best for you. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a movement and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale once again through your nose. Hold and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, hold, and exhale. Each time allowing your body to relax a little more with every exhale. As you breathe, feel yourself becoming more grounded. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and your feet, sinking deep into the earth. Allow the energy of the earth to flow up through you, bringing peace, stability, and grounding. Set the intention for this meditation. If you want to reflect on a particular area of your life where you want to see growth, healing, or abundance, it could be your career, relationship, or your spiritual journey. Allow this intention to come to your mind and hold it gently in your heart. The flower full moon is a time when nature is in full bloom. It's a time of abundance, healing, and new beginnings. During this moon, we are called to release old patterns and allow ourselves to blossom. This is the energy we align with today. Now, imagine a full moon shining brightly in the sky above you. Its light is soft yet powerful, illuminating everything in its path. The energy of the moon reaches down to touch you gently and lovingly. Let this moonlight wash over you as you continue to breathe deeply and relax. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Start by noticing the top of your head. Allow any tension in your scalp, forehead, and face to melt away. Move your attention down to your neck and shoulders. Breathe into these areas, letting go of any stress or tightness. Imagine the moon's energy flowing down into these areas, bringing softness and peace. Continue moving down your body. Relax your arms, your chest, your abdomen, your hips. your legs, and your feet. With every breath, let go of any physical or emotional tension that might be stored in these areas. Repeat after me. I release all that no longer serves me. I let go of tension, stress, and negativity. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful garden under the flower full moon. All around you, vibrant flowers are blooming in the full glory. You can feel the gentle breeze and hear the soft rustling of leaves. As you walk through this garden, notice the colors, the scent, and the texture of the flowers. Each one represents an area of your life, blooming with new possibilities. See yourself picking one flower from the garden, a flower that symbolizes your intention for this meditation. Hold this flower in your hands. Feel its beauty, its energy. This flower holds the essence of your growth, your abundance, and your healing. Know that this is a reflection of you. Just like the flower, you too are blossoming. Now, bring your awareness to any fears or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from blooming to your full potential. Visualize these beliefs as wilted flowers that no longer have room in your garden. Gently place them on the ground and let the moon's light transmute them into healing energy. Feel yourself letting go, making space for growth and abundance. As you do this, Allow the energy of flower full moon to surround you, filling you with light and love. Let's repeat some affirmations to align ourselves with the energy of growth and abundance. I am blooming into my fullest potential. I am blooming into my fullest potential. I am blooming into my fullest potential. I release what no longer serves me, making space for new beginnings. I release what no longer serves me, making space for new beginnings. I release what no longer serves me, making space for new beginnings. Abundance flows into my life effortlessly. Abundance flows into my life effortlessly. Abundance flows into my life effortlessly. I trust the process of growth and transformation. I trust the process of growth and transformation. I trust the process of growth and transformation. I am deserving of all the love, prosperity, and happiness life has to offer. I am deserving of all the love, prosperity, and happiness life has to offer. I am deserving of all the love, prosperity, and happiness life has to offer. Every day I grow stronger, wiser, and more aligned with my purpose. Every day I grow stronger, wiser, and more aligned with my purpose. Every day I grow stronger, wiser, and more aligned with my purpose. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude. Thank yourself for taking time to connect with your inner self and the energy of flower full moon. Visualize the energy of the moon now gently retreating, leaving you with a sense of peace, confidence, and clarity. Know that all the seeds you have planted today will continue to grow and bloom long after this meditation. Take a deep breath in, bringing yourself back to the present moment. As you exhale, slowly begin to wiggle your finger and toes. Rub your hands to each other and place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth of your hands. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Feel free to stay in this space for as long as you need, carrying the peaceful energy of full moon with you throughout the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me in this beautiful meditation under the flower full moon. May you carry the energy of blooming and abundance into your life. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Affirmations by Purvi. I look forward to guiding you in future meditations. Until then, you are blessed with peace, love, and growth.